Alright, this is our last game for tonight. Santo Niño versus San Victor. This is their game 2 for final. So once again, so near standing niya na 1-0 favor of Santo Niño. So meaning best of 3 nera, best of 3. And kung magdaog yun at Santo Niño, sigurado masaka nera for championship. And magkakamulay at Barangay San Miguel. So ang barangay ngayon San Miguel, waiting na lang for championship. And championship ngayon is best of 3 lagyapon. So again, gusto magpa-shoutout, comment down below. So shoutout kan Batoy Brian Riual from Ayan Benes Verona. And shoutout kan Nico Mercado. And shoutout yo kan Sef SB. And shoutout yo kan 52k viewers. Niya na nga gabi. Shoutout tayo yung tanan. So again, this is our Southern Conference Division. Best of 3. So what I'm standing is 1-0 favor of Santo Niño. So meaning, kung magdaog yan ang Santo Niño, automatic masaka na hera para championship. Ngan magkakamuli na tirahan Barangay San Miguel. So ang Barangay San Miguel, waiting na lang ngayon para ang championship. So ano na, mga gusto magpa-shoutout, comment down below. Ngan pa-share kita ito live guys. Shoutout gyap kan Rodel Villamor. Shoutout tayo mo sir.
Dahil kasi ko rin chat na full bed.
Kabuinan. Ato, masakay ra buwas sambaw. Cons, masaka ka mo buwas sambaw. Shout out liwat kan coach kan manager Albert Nunez ang kaya kan Falcons. Kabuinan. Masaka na ra buwasan barangay Kabuinan na ambaw. Good luck is B from Lorraine Antanya Donsal Respa. Shout out mga taga-Gugon, nasa ringi Adrian. Barangay Gugon, next season entry na kamo. Magja-jogging ba kamo, Cons? Magja-jogging. Ambaw. Kasi masaka kamo ambaw buwas. Pa-shout out Abdulo na patod player at San Victor Team, General C, Emerson Tanya, and Tanya Castelio Brian from Lorraine and Tanya Dansal Respa.
Before we proceed to our next performer, we shall be having a raffle again. Nakakahandle din natin ang paprema. This is the register kanina.
Pwede gyap.
Ng Abigail Avila of DPWH later. First, happy birthday na. Ng tatay na sana happy birthday and prestige. From Sir Jeron. And also once again shout out to the one and Danilo Marilio and Jesus Marilio.
Again, kung mga gusto magpa-shoutout, comment down below. Rayan Neves. Yeah, lagas ko la ano. Maganda. Good luck kan Teresa Bandong amista naman pasaka, good luck. Idol pa shoutout tanay kan Brian Di Bayrangan kan Jamik. From Rodel Villamor. Alright, this is our game 2 for the final. For the semi-final. Escorial. Pasok. Shout out kan Lance Dikila. Nakauli na late. May danama ang hit. Kabuinan. Nasa rin Cons Albert Nunez ang kaya. So right, and score 0-2. Okay, deadlock 2. Escorial, mamagang bola, de derecho. Tinera, binasa. Pasok. Idol pa shout out nga di Bantagan Tanawan Lady from MJ Yepes. Shout out ha imo ma'am. Good luck San Victor from Chavez Roger. Score 2-4 favor of Santo Niño. Escorial. Escorial. Pasok. Score 6-2 Santo Niño.
Stevenson Bantula Inawon si Chairperson.
Shout out 94k viewers. Mga viewers din na gabi. Pa-share naman it live guys and pa-send star na lagi up.
Carl Anthony Bergin of Adam.
Sorial with this card.
Oh, whenever your name is called,
Diretso.
on stage.
Hindi pumasok.
Next, we have
Si, hindi.
the leg of your
Hindi nakaabot. Sorial naman ng bola. Sorial, pinasa. Pasok.
our big winner is
Score 8-2. Santo Niño. Cabe, papasa. Pinasa kay Castillo. Litera. Pasok. 4-8. Santo Niño.
Irene Venigas of
Shoutout na natin 100k viewers.
Nicole Campipi of San Isidro.
Nagdaw ang game 1 is Kuan.
I've lost counting. Ruben Morbos Agumo.
El Marino ang game 1 nagdaog. Under 13. Pa-shoutout idol kan Chloe nga Denver nga nagkikitahin live from Kimber Versosa.
5 shot clock.
John Paul Paulo of Magay. John Paul Paulo of Magay.
Score 6-8.
Basta naman na natawag. Lagi rin kami.
Nine shot clock. 9 shot clock.
Ina Manito of Kabuinan.
9 to shoot. Mike 1. Mike, nagsipa.
Ayaw,
9 to shoot.
volume.
5 shot clock.
Full, volume. Tapos ito.
May de Yepes San Victor na player idol. Baga waray pa kumita. Waray pa sa sakob.
Mike 1. Okay na.
Last one.
Score 8 Santo Niño.
As chair of Galing, Joseph Ryan Luwanko. So congratulations to all the winners.
Mr. Chair Leono.
But in the moment we are going to
Waray mga kanayat.
shout out and happy birthday to one of the
Ang bilis talaga ni Scorreal.
to I think nakawalpot niya ang Florida Corona.
Score 12-8. Ukalino, didiretso, pinasa kay Cabe. Pasok, Mr. Cabe. Score 10-12.
Shout out to Jeffrey Camarumi as wala na ulit ka ng training as singer Tumansya. So we shall be having on
Score 14-10 Santo Niño.
our bands.
May bonus shot pa.
Everyone here at the Binawan Amphitheater.
Without father ado.
We have here our fifth band to perform the Asgan, composing of these members Ricky Matsuo, Christian Labrador, BG, Adrian Gambay, Ken Cordede, and MC Labrador. Their music,
Si, tumira ng 3.
for the English song. Ladies and gents, we have the Asgan.
Score 12-15 Santo Niño. Pa-shoutout idol watching from Batangas City. From Vicky Piti.
May foul after a shot. Basket discount. San Victor Bull. Hey, San Victor Bull. Yes, basket. May foul after a shot. Double foul. Foul number 07, San Victor. Foul number 21. Shot clock is 12.
Score 12-5 of favor of Santo Niño.
10 to shoot. Reset. Five minutes playing time.
Again, ang mga
May
gusto
foul.
magpa-shoutout, comment down below. Para mga gusto mag-shoutout. Shoutout kay
Katulong
Baka.
ating foul.
Oh, Brad, Rest J, Menyano. Again, shoutout na natin 136k viewers. Thank you for watching every night. Inabang-abangan Gudan Santo Niño versus
Illegal
San
carrying
Victor
the ball.
game.
Shot clock is 14.
Score natin 12-17. Santo Niño.
14 to shoot.
Boss na natin yung nagmumulay. Pala. Si Mason under 15.
Foul jersey number.
Di pa kumaram. Di pa kumaram. Kung nanon standing niya na under 15. Di pa kumaram.
Ikatulong ating foul. Parehas tagtulo.
Kuan na lang pa. Kuan na lang adat magpo-postman. Mga-postman.
May foul, may whistle. Double foul. Foul jersey number 07. Foul jersey number 11. Waray ball control, position arrow. Santo Niño. Boston is warning for
Shoutout kay
penalty.
Rodel Villamor. Nagwapo. Panser.
Jersey number 07. Ikaduha, ang personal foul.
From Adrian.
11 duha.
Again, shoutout na natin 152k viewers. O Kaleno ng San Victor. Papasok. Pinasa kay C.
May whistle.
Ay, hindi pala si C.
Foul, jersey number 4. Penalty. Santo Niño.
Si Mr. Castillo ngayon ni Mr. Shout out watching from Changi Airport. From manager Michael Rainier Nunez. Shout out ngayon han manager han Makari. Ang sponsor han All-Star. Kan Sir Michael Rainier Nunez.
4
Manager.
minutos, 25 segundos.
Shout out tayo mo, sir.
To shoot.
Score 13-17 Santo Niño.
Reset.
Remaining time.
4 minutos, 6 segundos.
Pa-shoutout kan Mama Lorna Tanya. Donsal nga nagkikita yan na. Live from Vancouver, Canada. sorry. Score natin 17-13 Santo Niño. Shoutout Mary Espilita, Barangay Gindagan.
To shoot. 11 shot clock.
Again, mga gusto magpa-shoutout, comment down below para ma-shoutout ka mo.
10 to shoot.
So, anong score? 13-17 Santo Niño.
5 shot clock.
Again, score 13-17 Santo Niño. Advance check naman kita para magkirita. See you next season in Gina's Cup. God bless kan. Salamat Team Francis Dem Acedera and pag-organize. Tikang kan Sir J. Florendo Flores. Thank you, sir. Shout out kan Sir J. Florendo and Barangay Solano.
14 to shoot. Game shot clock.
Counted.
There's a whistle. Basket is count. Foul jersey number 15.
Score 19-16 Santo Niño. Shout out kan Aldrin Lombre nga nagkikita yan na hit live from Jericho Yepes Esperas.
By whistle. Both teams under penalty situation.
Ang mga gusto naman pa shout out, comment down below para ka mo ma-shout out. Nga na nato mga viewers na umabot na yan ng 174K. Thank you for watching every night. Ginaabang-abangan talaga itlaban it's San Victor nga Santo Niño. Score 2016 favor of Santo Niño. Omalino, didiret pinasa. There's a foul.
Foul jersey number 1. Siyahan nga personal foul. Both teams penalty. Shot clock is 20.
Shout out Lutz kan Shinamay. Shout out watching from Kabuynan, Darahuay Barracks. Waray signal, nasa rin Aldrin Lombre. Rayo ka dugit tower at ka Darahuay. Kanila niya ang baw damot tower. Score 16-24. Again, score 18-24. Santo Niño.
2 minutes, playing time.
Shout out anay kan Carlos Yulo. Nasa nang ikiyan sikat. Shout out kan Rayjan Vasquez watching from Borongan City. From Kim Nico Borella. Again, score
11
18-24
shot clock. 11 shot
Santo
clock.
Niño. Shout out Cancer Kabagnot na nagkikita yan na kaupo di Ferre Espeleta. Shout out kan Kian Pios. Ma-reply na ma-reply.
Shot clock, 11.
Shoutout na natin 200k viewers. Comment down below kung gusto mo magpa-shoutout.
Bata, 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 bata.
ulit sa sisi. Wala pa rin. Ang bilis ng Santo Niño. Pasok. By Mr. Jersey number 13. Shout out kay Imo
1
boss.
minute playing time.
Shout out kaya pa Imo. Don A. Briton. Shout out kan Jude Buko. Nakikita may barbecue
50 seconds.
from Japet.
Kickball violation. Shot clock is 16.
Score 21-26 Santo Niño. Again, score 21-26 Santo Niño.
14 to shoot. 45 seconds. 10 shot clock. 40 seconds.
Shout out kan Paos ngan
30
Bukor
seconds.
from Elio Badana.
Illegal carrying the ball. Violation. Game clock is 25. Shot clock is 14.
Again, score 23-26.
14 shot clock.
Santo
Game clock
Niño.
25. Ten shot clock. 5 shot clock. Reset. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. May whistle. Basket discount. Foul jersey number 14. 9 seconds.
Shout out kan Jude Buko ngan Jared. Nagkikita hamay barbecuean from Japet.
Maybe seconds.
El Buko. Shout out kan Villarosa from Jamie. Shout out kan Alexis Katandihan, ace player ng Santa
May
Elena.
whistle.
And early vacation na
5 seconds.
from
5.
Angelo Soyo Mulahay. Go Santo Niño ho. Shout out kan Jared na may stage pod.
5 seconds.
Score 28-23 Santo Niño.
Alright, so this is to inform our SKs who are here present at our barangay sa
Again, score
our
29-23 Santo Niño.
mobile service for you para kanto yung mga ulisan.
5 seconds.
Pero ang service, ano lang pa oras? Di ba nagpapakata ka nila? Ay, also may ako nila service mag-only according to
Shout out kan Ezekiel Miranda. Nagkikita iya idol. From Sheila Terora Miranda. Shout out anay boss kan Jano Gibbs. Uy, duet. From Brian Basas. Orbetahan Barangay San Miguel. Shout out ko no kan Jared ato may stage upod bayot. Nasaringi Japit Dale El Poco. Sana all stay strong ka mo. Shout out na natin 209k viewers. Shout out boss Saim from Itachi Vitasolo. Thank you. Shout out Yapay mo.
Second quarter.
Again, this is the second quarter. Special
23,
score.
31, 8. Santo Niño.
23-31.
This is a game 2.
Shout out kan
Ang
Palabio
Southern
from J.
Division
Ros
Finals.
Lagario.
we are inviting
Si umaro ng bola si Ska
May
Ugalino.
whistle.
Diretso.
May foul.
Wala.
Jersey number 13.
Score 23-31. Santo Niño.
Siyahan nga personal foul. Siyahan nga team foul. Santo Niño.
pero pagka 41, so pamatay yung boses na yun. Kami na lang ako micro demonstration and also the Pasaka Festival Competition. Kumalik na liwat ang Pasaka Festival Competition. And we have the secondary schools competing with one and water. So, kung ano na ito naman ang mag-perform, yun na, and let's get on with ours.
Basket.
2 points. Shout out na yung kan Whisbert nga waray ko karigo. Nakarigo to niya, di na nagliwal yung bado kay Tia
On
Bado.
jersey number 7.
Pano sa kasimana ito.
3 free throws.
Again, anong score? 24-33 Santo Niño. Shout out doon at Akubas nga Grande while watching Pastrana Leyte from Christian Omega. Shout out tayo mo Christian Omega. Drink Will. Shout out Canterboy from Ariel Maka Espina. Score 27-33 Santo Niño.
Team Santo Niño.
Shout out boss sa Team
Warning for
Santo
delay
Niño.
in the game.
Shout out Gyapan Team Super Team. Nam team nga Super Team, Team Cambaresara. Ali na kami ha Boracay from Sir Kelentoy Ontuhan. Shout out tayo sir ang Cambaresara. Shout out kan Jelay. Basher ito niya hit number 99 Escorial. Score 29-33 Santo Niño. Pasok pa rin ang swabe talaga ng Barangay Santo Niño. Shout out Barangay Magulod, dati kami nagtatagay. Sana
8
all
minutos, 24 segundos.
from Alvin Tabuak. Tagay ka mo in maupay, inom-inom la.
Katalungan team foul Santo
Shout
Niño.
out kan Bornok, Tagalapas. From Breton, Akala, ayan. Shout out boss, adi kami hamagulod, tatagay adi. Boss Alvin, nagpapainom. Sige, tagay lang ka mo in maupay. Tagay lang ka mo maupay. Inom ka mo, mag-aga, nga dat iyo kaya. Again, shout out to natin 219 viewers. Thank you for watching every night. Score 31-37 Santo Niño. Pasok pa rin. Score 39-31 Santo Niño. Shout out mga taga-Kugon. Nasa ringi Jamik.
Pabasket ka, re-reserve kami tayo mo tapos sa basket na tayo mo kami.
Comment down below ang mga gusto magpa-shoutout. Comment na kamo.
Tayo di rin mabasket.
Shout out it ate ni number 99 na Shane Angeli Palanya Escorial. Nga ni Kim Mas Palanya Escorial. Asya ito ni Right mga basher ng basher na pang malakasan. Mga daw kay mga ate, kuya, mga basher ni Escorial. Iya pa naman na score at Barangay Santo Niño. Malalak si Escorial. Di rin mabigilan. Shout out tanan na mga driver at tabon-tabon Leyte. Tanawan Road from Federico Sagales.
San Victor, that was your last time out for the first half.
Shout out Mayor Gina Cup 2025. Thank you for sponsoring the first Mayor Gina Cup 2025 Enter Barangay Basketball Tournament. Thank you Mayor Gina. Inautong tamay na pa yun Season 2 next year. Ocalino, de diretso, didiskarte, pinasa kay Gausin, pinasa kay Cabe, de diretso, Tenera, pasok.
Foul jersey number 13. Ikadua, warning for penalty, Santo Niño, warning.
Shout out kan Jerson Sigura
Shot clock is 14.
from JR Sigura. Shout out kan Panyong na mahalaw Hakatigbian from John Lee Mandresa. At ang score 40-31 Santo Niño. Again, score 31-40 Santo Niño. Again, score 33-40.
15 minutes, playing time. Fourteen to shoot.
Shout out kadahayin boss pagpatuloy na kay Pius pa.
10 shot clock.
Mas Pius ka ba na toy? Kan Marmalate di. Ino ka. Skor 42-33.
Penalty.
Shout out mga Bilyako Hatanawan. From Biton, Akakala, yan. Shout out kanuseng apermi nagkikita from Jayan Sigora. Score 33-42 Santo Niño. Santo Niño, score 34-44 Santo Niño. Shout out watching from Singapore. Tacomango, Ocalino, go San Victor. From Roda, Ocalino. Score 34-44 Santo Niño.
Shot clock is 14. Shot clock is 14. Foul, penalty. Penalty.
Shout out tanan Alpha Caparo. Happy 52 years anniversary. Long live mga brad. Score 36-44.
Jersey number 83. Ikaduha nga personal foul.
Shout out na Kuya Nahi Abinbol at Bingola.
Mar! Ay, magpadeto na daw tayo.
High foul, jersey number 21, penalty.
Score 36-44. Santo Niño. Shout out to Villarosa number 18 at 7 from Catalan
Ikaduha,
Ramos.
basket, unom. 4 minutos, 50 segundos.
Score 38-44.
14, shot clock.
Live!
10 to shoot. Reset, 2 for 10. Basket.
Score 50-30. Oh, 46-38.
Unsportsmanlike foul. Jersey number 11. Two free throws plus ball position.
Ay, daw. Ano ang magiging sinaka dito?
May ano na offensive player na una already pinsa. Yun nga. May ano na offensive player already pinsa. That is unsportsmanlike foul. Shot clock is for 10. 4 minutos, 21 segundos. Game to shoot. Basket.
Score 49-38. Santo Niño.
$99. Siyahan nga personal foul.
Shout out Ian Lee Baunis. Score 51-39 Santo Niño.
Foul jersey number 4. Ikaduha ang personal foul. Foul jersey number 07. Ikatulo nga personal foul, jersey number 07, warning for penalty San Victor.
Score 41-51. Again, score 41-52. Santo Niño.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the very wrong. Because that number is Joseph Jason Roman.
Ikatulo nga personal foul, jersey number 4.
Our 6 fans doing the perform, and we're just waiting for final one to be set and be ready.
Kanina pa.
So once again, our winners, they will be receiving 20,000 pesos. Our second placer, they will be receiving 15,000 pesos. Our third placer, they will be receiving 10,000 pesos. And all our winners, they will be receiving 2,000 pesos each. And of course, we are going to have our minor awards as well. They will be receiving 500 pesos.
3 minutos, 4 segundos, first half.
Nagpapasalamat kami na tuhan aton mga sponsors. So while we're waiting for our last batch to perform, be ready. We see Mayor Maria Gina and Mayor Archie.
14, shot clock. 10, shot clock. Reset for 10. May whistle. Traveling violation, tawag ni referee.
Board member Maria Martina and Lazabala Jimenez. We also would like to say thank you to the GSO through Mr. Eugene Ramos. Puro musiko na mga salamat.
Mar!
14, shot clock. 10 to shoot. May whistle. May foul, jersey number 5. Ikaduha ang personal foul, both teams under penalty situation with 2 minutes and 4 seconds playing time for the first half.
Ma'am Arlene from for the tables and chairs, Chris Art Printing Services for the trophies and plaques, IT Department, Mr. Carlos Sigura, CS Productions in the team, together with Mr. John Arsada and Mr. Arnel.
2 minutes playing time.
Thank you so much.
14 shot clock.
Score 54-44. Santo Niño. Again, score 54-44. Santo Niño.
Basket. 1 minute and 25. May foul. Jersey number 23. Siyahan yung personal foul. 1 minute and 15.
With Amigo Post, Ace Galiosa, Andrew Joffrey, Joel Medado, Terrence Albano, Carlo Allen, and Daniel Alfano. Ladies and gentlemen, number 7, back to perform, the Hitmano.
Seconds to play. Cincuenta segundos. Cinco segundos, 14 shot clock. Segundos.
Score 46-55. Santo Niño.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are
the 25 seconds, 14 shot. 20 segundos.
Score 46-55.
15. 10 segundos.
Again, score 48-55. Santo Niño. Score 48-55. Santo Niño.
7 seconds.
Again, score 48-55. Santo Niño.
5. And first stop.
And the first stop. Score 55-48. Santo Niño.
Turing ang iyong sarili, nahawin ng ulan sa kalamitan. Sa parang galing sa parang
kan Corporal Bilonias. Shout out kan Corporal Bilonias.
Shout out kan Corporal
Bilo.
Score 55 50 Santo Niño. Again, score 55 50 Santo Niño.
12. Then set clock.
Shout out to Jutiana di dalam plaza. Jeffrey from Enteng. Again, at ang score 50-55 Santo Niño. Escorial by 2. Score 59-50 Santo Niño. Shout out kan Romeo Senado Jr. Again, score 59-50 Santo Niño.
11 set clock. Ten.
Escorial for 3. Score 62-52 Santo Niño. C for 3. Hindi nakabawi. Titira pa. Ulat. Escorial de diretso. Escorial de diretso. Pinasa kay Tubia. Hindi pumasok. Score 62-50 Santo Niño. Haha. Malalaksi. Escorial. Again, score 64-50 Santo Niño. Kabig. Hindi pumasok. Villarosa. Diretso. Hindi pumasok. Ato si C. Diretso si C. Tira, pinasa kay Kabe. Pasok ba ito? Score 52-64. So again, it's score 64-52
Set clock.
Santo Niño.
10.
Molong, the veterans of Santo Niño by 2. Score 66-52. 2 points by Ocalino. Castillo. Score 54-66. Lead by 12 points San Barangay Santo Niño.
14 to shoot. 10 shot clock.
Score 69-54. Shout out jersey number 1, Romulo Perez from Nora Perez. Score 71-54 Santo Niño.
Sa mga original composition para yung mga bayan, appreciate them. Mabayang yung mga bayan.
Score 71-54 Santo Niño.
Ten to shoot. 5 shot clock. 3 to shoot. 3 to shoot.
Shoutout boss watching from Barangay Tugop. From Judith Macapanas, Salceda. Score natin 73-55. Santo Niño. Shout out ang mga Bilyako at Tanawan. From Riton, Akala, Ayan. Shout out dyan Jade Mark, Basibas, Maki Bayot. Nasa ring is John Ray, Elim, Balano. Shout out ang mga kasin natin na nagkikita live with Era Pagbash.
Need to shoot.
Joe, kundi siya ninang. Again, score 75-55. Lead by Santo Niño. Ang bilis talaga ni Scorial.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our Battle of the Towns.
Game na.
Brought to you with the SK Youth Night 2025. So that was the Emmanuel with the goals of Ace Loyosa, Andrew John Control of Milano, Tan Silvano, Carlo Hayek, Lirius and Kai. Alright, so we're done with our 7 downs who just performed. So I think that our board of judges will be having a very difficult job for tonight. Because all of our bands who just performed were really incredible and they were really goosebumps to everyone. So once again, damo masalamat na ngayon at kanilang inyong hatag. Nga mag-share yung talent na para ma-entertain na ang bukas na buong mga dalawan. So, shout out and I want to say thank you to Ma'am Regina Mesias. Thank you so much for the snacks. And marunong patalo maglaro na doon. Grabe, hindi ko talaga sunod-sunod din from stall 1 to stall number 2. Nagahatan na nila. So, shout out yung stall number 1, the Will Mill Barbecue. Ang una kanina. At hindi lang ko yung nakikita kanina doon sa Banisil. Salamat dito doon. And of course, shout out sa Madam Mierda. Thank you so much. Hindi lang ko nangyayang so much. So it's, I guess, raining, so we have to make sure that everyone is safe.
So, din, nakuha na naman kita kay naoran-oran.
We are going to proceed with the raffle draw again because we still have a lot of prizes for everyone. And also, once again, nagpapasalamat yung hatumilan yung mga skills na kanina. Pagpakain na ito mga kanagariwan, damo na salamat. Dahil lahat rumamay pati yung nagkikiwan.
Shout out boss, habang kami nag-iinom-inom, nagkikita kami in live. Shout out kan John Ray Balano nga makibayot.
Each and everyone's presence really highly appreciated.
Shout out kan mga miring ada di Pampanga.
Sakto lang. Mag-iinom-inom naman kita. So manahat ang mga sila. And our Bishop Candidate Ronaldo, formidable Sir Lincoln Costignano and Sir Teddy, very talented. Pinaka-expect talaga mananayo yun. But anyways, our first word for these, sadly have from Arato, Abigail Habamag. Next one, congratulations from Pantagan, Basigas, Azulin. And another SK share of Mohon, Jericho Maraya. From Barangay Santa Elena, congratulations to Regino Cinco. Regino Cinco, maraming pagkakataon. Excited at the
Kapag yan lang kami nga
Anyways, good luck mga gusto. From Barangay Mindanao, congratulations to John Michael Serrano. John Michael Serrano. Next in line is from Pinolo, Mijares. Al Jane, Mijares Al Jane, congratulations. Then we also have here from Pinolo, Justin Paul Castilan. SK Chair, Justin Paul Castilan. We received
Hari kami di nagiinom kami.
Meron kaya sir, hindi.
Kuno na pagyan na kun ano. Papalayon kun
Gire-riskit dito.
Oh, okay.
Riskit.
another winner we have
Kaya
here
pamon kam service
from
na
Pigas, Rina Nuevas. Rina Nuevas. Moving forward with another winner from Barangay
Labayon lang
Amanduran,
kami ng service na
Julian Boko. Julian Boko.
O kung ano kung kulat talay.
Oh, ulat lalay. Baga kumusog good.
Wala na yung riskit. Dahil pa yun. Malmal mo kung ano. Dari makalit din. Pagaro mo papi.
And then another from Santa Cruz, Ryan Doria. Ryan Doria.
Ay, kinasuglubod.
So we're just waiting for the result na makakaragan ng navigators. Ay, ano na ba? Sa Linton, you are just waiting the result. Later on, we're going to announce our winners. Then another from Amanduran, Lester Aloshen. Sorry naman. Nag-reader liwa. Aloshen Paroto. Ano ba yun yung MC? Ikaw mo teacher. Kaya bukan harapan. Wala ka nag-claim na dito? Alayon lang mabuot. Wala ka nag-shout out na happy birthday, Otro. Happy birthday to my Madel, Ronan Osmeña, Stuart, and Joel Villero. Hello po from Apeninos.
Ano, di agi? Dire.
Wala na diba?
Talok.
Oo, pagmamay naman dito niya. We shall be heading on to another winner because para lang magkakaganap ibangaan mo yan. Ako yung nalaw mo niya. From Hindag Angeline Espileta. Jeneline Espileta. From another from Barangay Santa Elena, Nalibelta Modesto. Nalibelta Modesto. Kunhain ka man, alayo, pagpakinom.
Hari pa nagtrabaho.
From Barangay Magay, John Patrick Florendo. John Patrick Florendo. Ito, nabihira ka na din. Ani. Kalayon lang ang buwasan.
Matatapos naman third, 2 minutes na lang.
Ayun, may another pahabol para naman. Pa-shout out. Love our team Tacloban. Shout out sa iyo, Sir Abner. Ayun. Shout out to Gerald and Paul Canino. Pinagkakaroon kami na another shout out po kay Chini. Welcome home all the way from Bahrain. Hello po Ma'am Chini. Chini sa Chinese. Sana ito. Oo, diretso natin ang raffle para
Ang problema ni Dennis.
Priority man lang ka na, no?
okay. While we are tabulating
Dito man na, may pintar.
our competition,
Ang problema ni Dennis.
our judges,
Dennis.
they will be entertaining us. So, watching the motion naman nila, diri lang ako mamay. So, sige. While nasa naman papadahin kita natin round.
Sorry, Nani? Yan na daw, Bill.
Congratulations to from Barangay Solano. Vincent Sevilla. Vincent Sevilla, hindi mo kasulat, magagalit siya na yung permanayo. Ang ano ba? From Barangay Mubon, again. Ruben. Awal mo din ngayon. Chini, Marian. Gayola. Basta, kamuhon na yan. Nakina. Actually, good night. Kasi Nerena. Nagpa-register ko na
Kasi baka di Nerena.
Parang ganyan tao.
Naoran na dito. Hindi Nerena. Sigrit lang eh.
Bye!
Sige, kumadon dala, dun kuhan. Burublik kita, para matima kita, sige. Burublik kita, tala. Ay, kung lamang kami, kung mabuli ito.
From Kalsadahay, congratulations! Sherwin Tamblaco! Buhay kay Sherwin? Ito pa kay ano? O, di ba dito lang naman? Ako siya, from Lionel Jasper Iglesino, ang hindi na ako nakasigan na aking trabaho. Na-shout out from Canada, I love Javier and Cookie. Sige na lang. Taray! Gawin ka na natin. Talaga ba naman Ivan? I love Javier and Cookie. Sir, ang electric matika din na lahat. Okay, Evan, stay share kami sa inyo. Ano ba naman? Next winner from Solano na naman. From Solano, Jared Olmeda. Oo, Jared, kung hangin ka man. Buhay pa kay Jared. Ay, ano pa pala? It's 11:30 pala. From Santa Elena, Daryl Arcena. Mauubos na lang kami dito. Gawin naman dito. From Barangay Vinolo, Villa M. Valier. From Barangay Vinolo, Villa M. Valier. Maray, Villa M. Valier ang Vinolo. Maray, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano ba yung kanina? Alright. Last picture out. Bantagan, Sharon Yeme. Ano na ba tayo, Sharon?
Meron ako pa patira premyo. Di ba? English pa. If in case magmaray tatong kuwan ha, mapadayong kita, itatong mulay. Mapadayong kita, magmara. Sige, pumadon natin. Siguro kung magkamaya na forfeiture sa atin, forfeiture of premium, ngayon forfeiture of kasban.
Siyempre, swerte na talaga.
Bear in your mind, adat rules.
Swerte na naman kita mabuhay pa.
Paano ba mapoprofit na yung kasban? Paano mapoprofit yung premium? Kung may na yung profit na mulay, ato rito.
Okay, so for our last
Profit
winner for
yung premium, profit yung kasban.
Barangay Mohon. Jobber to Venegas. Jobber to Venegas. Congratulations, my family.
Correct.
So after the raffle, later on we're going to announce our winner as the results will be tabulated in our official tabulator. In the moment, we are going to witness an intermission number coming from the judges.
Pinagdara lagay ng mga industry.
Third quarter na di ba?
Ikaw man ba kaya ang pagkakita para malanggal. Pagkaya si Ibo. Kamulang kulay. Malanggal. Dadang naman na gamay.
Kita rin po, pwede mo na yan. Hindi lang.
Ha? Lagi rin pagmulay ka madalunod ko, no? Yan naman.
Mag-essence decision nga rin. Kung na essence decision nga rin nga, papalayo ang tao.
Sorry, kaya inagsering-isir yung team yapon nga mapla ko na ito. Mapla ko na ito.
Sino ka naman lang doon?
Sir Eugene, magkano man kami, kaya ako suko. Ulay lagi, wala ito. Publikin na lanera.
Serrano, kurin itong tabla Serrano. Kurin itong tabla, itong quarter na. Awarin na ano?
Aray.
Awarin na tabla. Pwede kong pasero.
Ako sa kapil, langap. Hirit na binilis. Bilang sorry na lang. Sorry na lang. Ow! Picture na lang. Ay, tala jeans, no? Picture, sa Lorde. Para awarded. Okay. Wala tala jeans, no?
Ano naman ito yan, Mike? Alcohol?
Alcohol? Oroy.
Kamag-kamag na lang niyo ang players. Di ako pagkamag-kamag ko, may silid, area. Kamag-kamag ka lagod niyo, layon. Mamareton, di yung mga sapatos. Back to the ball game. With 2 minutes and 9 seconds playing time for the third quarter. Running score 77-55.
Back to the ball game.
Time is 24.
Score natin 77-55. Favor of Santo Niño.
Ayaw! Puto! Pamarara! Pagligid lang! Pagligid! Okay. Sorry,
Game to shoot. 5 shot clock. Reset.
Ay!
Madalunan kami. Nangangato pa.
Saan konti?
Na-spike pa. Canada. Score 58-77. Santo Niño. Backshore.
50 segundos.
Again, back to the ball game na kita.
40 segundos. Tension clock.
The score 77-60.
Pagkuiton.
Alvera.
Shout out na natin mga tayo GSO.
Shout out to Sir Eugene Ramos. Thank you so much.
And Sir Eugene Ramos, thank you so much, sir. And paghatagin mo para mahinisan ni Kuan mahulus-hulus. Shout out ang veteranohan Santo Niño, Himulong.
Damo nga salamat ang General Services Office Stroke and Sir Eugene Ramos. Damo nga salamat. Fire. Dos segundos. Kedua pa lang ating foul sa ninyo.
Shout out na natin GSO head and Sir Eugene
25
Ramos.
segundos. 50 shot clock. 90 segundos. 10 shot clock. 15 segundos.
10 seconds, sir.
10 segundos.
79-60.
5.
19 points lead.
End of third. Back to the for the final quarter. to shoot. 5 shot clock.
Score 64-81. Santo Niño.
Ten to shoot, 10 to shoot.
Ano pa jeep jeep masapungan jeep jeep. Pupureni din San Miguel bisa kuha.
Gatulo, personal foul, 99.
There we are, ladies and gentlemen. Papatahan kita ang ating mga bisita. And of course, they were also our judges. So, yun ang liwat. Papatahuayin na natin. Papakalmahan natin ito. But, syempre, hindi lang mamaya pag-actually kinagindal yun at nakanta. Okay. So, tatalain natin yung last moment to express our acknowledgement this evening to our sponsors this evening, to Honorable Maria Gina E. Merrill, to Honorable Vice Mayor Archie Lawrence Tapunan, to Honorable Engineer John Elmer Magdalaga, Honorable Mark Christian Ferdinand Jimenez, Honorable Engineer J. Angelino, Dr. Morales, Honorable Cherry Antiel, Honorable Pancho Nello, Honorable Dr. Indipio Virginia, Honorable Jose Priel,
Score 83-65. Santo Niño.
Maria Martina.
Again, score 67-83. Santo Niño.
7 minutos, playing time.
Battle of the Bands back line in sound operator Mr. Rogine Flores. LYDO Mr. Renato Repalda, our SB Federation officers. Papakalin na natin.
11 shot clock, 11.
Damo-damo nga salamat. Job well done. Matatanggal na niyo anxiety. Maiiba-iba na natin yung pagkinamang na bawal. Actually, that is part in the process of organizing such big events, especially here at the Tarawa Public Plaza. Well, at least it has come to a realization, and congratulations to all your efforts and dedications as well. To our official tabulators, Mr. Kevin Cajano and Mr. Linton Costiniano, thank you so much. To our performers earlier, mga salamat. O, hindi na mga performer na tabulator pa, so they are multitasking. Ang talaga yung dapat i-youth and SKs, hindi nila kamo leaders in the community.
Unsportsmanlike foul, jersey number 23.
In order for you to be a great service to your community. Thank you so much. To Okanya's Catering Service, Ma'am Arlene for the tables and chairs, Chris Art Printing Services,
For throwing a punch.
IT Department, Mr. Carlos Segura, CS Productions in the team, to Mr. John Arzaga and Arnel Lado, Damadama Salamat. Likewise to Creative 7 Photo Booth, they are located at the
Shot clock is important.
Damadama Salamat. And to the rest of the people, to our board of judges, Damadama Salamat yaman yung kanya.
Score 83-67.
Pasundaya yan na.
Santo Niño.
10 to shoot.
skill for the shot is Gio.
3 points. Score 86-67. Santo Niño.
We are going to hear the message. And so yes, to our judges, let us all hear a message from our Federation President for the Municipality of Tanawan. We have the Honorable John Mesquita.
Ikalawang ating foul, Santo Niño. Shot clock is 16.
Mubay na gawin niya ka na. Ano pa ba ang mga SK ng mga youth? Ano ba? Hep hep! Magabang yung kinadatak yung buka nakita ko. Hep hep! Correct. First, I would like to thank and acknowledge our municipal mayor who was here earlier, Mayor Mayor, our vice mayor and the Ternate
Score 86-67. Santo Niño.
14 shot clock.
To our SK members, the 17
10 shot clock.
commended by, of course, our vice mayor, Honorable Archie Lawrence Apunan, SB members,
Jersey number
Honorable
23.
John Elmer Magdalaga,
Unsportsmanlike foul, ejected out of the playing venue.
Honorable John Elmer Magdalaga,
Jersey number 23.
Honorable Marco Jimenez,
Out of the
Honorable
playing venue.
DJ Marami Borales, Honorable Cherry Anfiel, Honorable Banjo Merilo, Honorable Dr. Kimberly Octa, Honorable Josie Mayer, Honorable Laura Bolero, and Honorable Cap Efren Merilo. Thank you po ang iyong support, ang iyong pagbulig na amon financially through our solicitations. Thank you po ang iyong hinatagaan na help. Of course, the board member Ina Jimenez, thank you po EM for allowing us to borrow the Liga Hall and preps for the SK night.
6 minutos, 7 segundos.
Officer, Sir Eugene, thank you po for the barricades, the tables and chairs. To our official sound system, operators, and puro musika.
10 to shoot.
To our operator, Hapon Kuya Roche, thank you po.
5 shot clock.
Our LYDC, na to our local youth development officer, Sir Renato, thank you po. Of course, our SK chairpersons, SK members, treasurers, and secretaries, thank you kami yung pagtambo tonight. I hope you all enjoyed the show. Of course, my SK Council,
14 shot clock.
my SK Council, guys, thank you so much for your support. To my VABs, my fabulators, of course, Kevin and Lyndon, thank you so much. Our youth performers from Islip and Pekmon, thank you so much for the last minute na show. Last minute na pag-invite.
Score 88-67. Santo Niño.
For their intermission number 8. So,
5 shot clock.
to Kanyas Catering Services, thank you po sir, thank you mga kuya. Charlie for the table and chairs. Roy, thank you so much Roy. There's our cleaning services and for the trophy.
5 minutes, playing time.
Our IT department, thank you so much for ensuring
11 shot clock.
live streaming every night.
10 to shoot.
So napapakanan ng IT department, thank you so much po. Thank you so much to our judges. Thank you so much Thank you so much, Mami. Thank you so much po. Of course, thank you so much. Second year mo na, sana di ka magmahal na sir. Thank you so much.
Unsportsmanlike foul, jersey number 07.
Well, thank you for assisting me with the paperwork and naglabay ng preparations. Of course, to my SK Federation officers, thank you guys. France,
Jersey number 07, unsportsmanlike foul.
Thank you so much. To Zen and Topel, mga pare ko, thank you so much. Of course, to our men and women in uniform, ng PNP, BFP, always on standby for the safety of our visitors as well as the Manawananos. Kaganda po namin
Score 88-67.
Filming for our traffic personnel, we have our father, Mr. Anthony Sigas, for ensuring the safety gihapon for the entrance and exit points din na plaza. Damugat na salamat din mga sir. balikan ng MPRMO as well as our drivers niyan. Guys, may the-drive, ay may ganun kailangan nagka-president siya, itapon pagkuha. Of course, for talents and volunteers,
To shoot.
the volunteers na naka-locate din ng plaza, they have their very own talent.
Five shot clock.
We're here, salamat sa inyo. To my cousins and brothers,
Score 92-67, Santo Niño.
Jetro, John, Gail, Evan, Clyde, Kuya Rio, Ate Ray, and Clyde, and everyone in between. Thank you po. And of course, to my parents,
Basta lang hindi mag-workout.
And lastly, I will not forget to thank our job order personnel, our caretakers of the Town Plaza, and mga restaurants, mga unsung heroes, ang mga atong very acknowledged kanina ato. So, tabi na nila tira sa kusog na kapap. Yan po, i-ensure na firme malimpian atong plaza for our visitors and of course to us that our members. And of course, shout out palagi hapon ang Creative 7 Photo Booth, my classmates. Guys, you should check out their
Jersey number 07, disqualified. Warning for penalty.
for only 100 pesos per session, guys. It's super cheap pero super quality. You should check them out, guys. Adi lang ang left side, hit up on stage. And adi lang katubangan islands na naman plaza. Check them out, guys. Super nice ang nila photos. You can also get a soft copy of your photo together with the GA. So, check them out. Tapos, lastly, I'd like to thank my sponsors and everyone who helped us financially, and to everyone who's present. And above all, we offer this success of the SKN Youth Night Battle of the Bands to our performers. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Paul, for giving us quality performance, and thank you for sharing the gift of music to us. And above all, we thank God for it was a blessing na nag-working performances. We thank the Lord for gathering all of us here, and I just wish that may this be a platform for us to be inspired to serve more for our overall. Damo sa naman tayo, and may we enjoy the rest of the day. Damo.
Hi.
Alright, so thank you so much to our SK Federation.
Shot clock violation.
Honorable Kyle Macias. Pagpakanin nila makasantayan na iyan, so syempre iyan nag-lead para maging manigos sa ating ginagawa si Zero. And before we proceed to the announcement of our minor and major awards and our winners as well, I am going to call on to our board of judges to receive their tokens and the plaque of appreciation.
Team to shoot.
So allow me to read the citation of which a plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to the next coordinator in grateful recognition of your invaluable support and expertise as judge during the Battle of the Bands upon the SKN Youth Night 2025.
Score 69-92, Santo Niño.
Young talent has elevated
Team to shoot.
the spirit of Eden, given this 8th day of August 2025, under the Awan Amphi Theater, Barangay Guntay, Tanawan, Leyte, signed by the Honorable Kyle St. Cias as the graduation president, LG, Tanawan, Leyte. So this flag of appreciation award
Double season clock.
tonight. Another flag of appreciation awarded to Leslie Andres.
Last 2 minutes.
3 points by Mr. Escorial. 95-69.
Katulo ang ating foul. Katulo.
So once again, I want to ask all these board judges to please be on stage. And we say thank you so much for your time being with us tonight. And we know that you have the most difficult job in selecting as to who will be best among the squad. Whatever the reason may be, we can have to accept the fact that these credible judges are credible enough in sitting as and having the most difficult job. So they have the right to select the best represented.
Team to shoot.
So looking back, Just like I said earlier, we
Five
have
shoot.
our awards and each and every award they will be receiving.
Illegal carrying the ball. 1 minute and 11.
So the result is final, irrevocable and non-appealable.
Tataga naman.
1 minute playing time.
Shout out na dahil mga medyo hubog na. Nasasaktan ko na yung hubog na.
50 seconds, 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock, 45 seconds. 40 seconds.
So let's proceed first in the announcement of our minor award. For the best vocalist.
30 seconds.
So I think the winner will be coming here on stage, right? To receive their prize and the black as well.
90.
The best vocalist is...
Winner, Santo Niño. Official score, 97-69.
As please come on stage.
Winner, Santo Niño. Winner, waiting na.